冇問題嘅。Hi, this is Katie. Welcome to the channel. I am a lifestyle blogger on Instagram and a photographer. Today we're doing maternity shoot series, chapter 2. The first one is the one with Zoe in studio, and today we're inviting a model, not really like a model. Let's show a different feel of this beautiful garden. So today we have invited a pregnant lady to be our model of the shoot. She is not a model, she doesn't have much shooting experience, but I would like to take this challenge and transform her into a very photogenic, presentable model in front of the camera with a very candid and natural looking face in the images. Before we were demonstrating how we took the maternity photo inside the studio, so today we are going to bring the photo shoot inside a real scenario with floral arrangement, everything romantic. And these are the corners that we are going to take photos of. We have already did some floral arrangement over here. I always work with a professional makeup artist in my shoot, so my clients can look their best in front of the camera. Now we're just waiting for the model to get dressed and then we're good to go. Just when we started, Pauline's baby was kicking her belly as if her baby girl was joining our shoot as well. I love to talk to who I shoot with just to understand their story more and about their vision. What do they want to convey in that shoot? Is it joy, love, a sense of adventure? This helps in creating a comfortable atmosphere. We want a series of photos that we can see the love between she and her husband, and we can see the hope and the expectation in their eyes towards the newborn baby. Posing can be tricky, especially for acceptant mothers. I often guide them to find natural poses. What I was doing here was turning my vision into the poses that Pauline and her husband Tango will actually be posing. In the meantime, as we were shooting outdoor, there could be wind or other factors that make Pauline's hair messy. One of the main advantages of having a makeup artist is she can fix it immediately. Encourage them to interact with each other, maybe a gentle kiss or a loving gaze. The night has fallen faster than we expected, so we just swing that around this corner, which we can see how dark the sky is. Having Pauline place her hands on her belly can create a lovely focal point. Now we have Pauline switch to the final look. I think that this is cleaner to tie her hair up. We also have Jane to help her touch up a little bit. At this point, the sky was totally dark. In order not to waste all the floral setup, we still try to get some good shots around this corner, even though we cannot see the garden behind. Don't forget to capture those candid moments. Sometimes the best shots come from spontaneous laughter or a shared smile. Instead of the corner that we were supposed to see the garden outside, actually, the wall just right next to it, we found it so perfect for photo shoot. We love the carbonate, we love the dried flowers, and we love the owner's paintings. Close-ups are essential in maternity photograph. Focus on the baby bump, their hands intertwined, or the couple's expressions. These details tell a deeper story about their journey. These are the close-up shots that I love about this shoot. We want a series of photos that can show the best feminine side of a lady, especially when they are pregnant, when life gave them the most beautiful shape ever. So for the shoot, I didn't style our model with very complicated, heavy gowns, but I chose white shirt with simple bra top and jeans instead to start the shoot, so she can feel more relaxed, more natural in front of camera, and probably can simulate the natural daily scenes that she interact with her husband. I hope they both enjoy the shoot. I hope they have fun. As we wrap up the shoot, I take a moment to thank Pauline and her husband Tangle for sharing this special time with us. Remind them how beautiful and powerful this moment is. The memories captured today will be cherished for years to come. Thank you so very much joining us on this beautiful journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, keep capturing those precious moments.